I do struggle with the lack of community and lack of representation. I've come from Auckland and Whangarei, which are very, high populations of Māori and Pacific people, and just diversity and inclusion in general. And then coming here and being the token Māori in my team, or the only person I see who's Māori walking through the supermarket or in the street. So it's very noticeable here.
Currently are disconnected from the political system, so they're disengaged and feel disenfranchised by voting and the power that you have to do that. And I think if you can show a direct connection between economic outcomes and what you might get if you're involved in that decision making, I think there's real power in that, but I don't think that's necessarily communicated in how our political system works these days.
We're doing a good job at a corporate level, every level, senior management roles and stuff like that, and org level, but I feel like in terms of our involvement with Rangatahi, we're not as strong where we could be. So just being more involved in that, and then kind of helping shape decisions that young people make in terms of life choices and stuff like that as well.